addressing patent challenges in nanotechnology for environmental remediation. Nanoscale materials for pollution control. Importance: boosts efficiency in removing soil, water, and air contaminants. Key areas of innovation in environmental remediation: nanofiltration, nanoparticle adsorbents, catalytic nanomaterials for removing heavy metals, organic pollutants, and toxic chemicals. Common patent challenges in environmental nanotechnology: high prior art volume, abstract idea concerns, technical complexity, and evolving regulations affecting patent strategies. Drafting strong patent claims. Clear, concise claims are essential to define protection scope. Use independent, dependent, and method claims for comprehensive coverage. Sustainability and ethical considerations in patenting. Prioritize eco-friendly materials and processes, focusing on technologies that offer long-term environmental benefits. Collaborating with patent attorneys. Leverage legal expertise for drafting, regulatory compliance, and global strategy to ensure strong IP protection aligned with environmental standards. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.